Canning Nana. This is just a little bit of an update about what I'm doing with my week. Today's Wednesday, October 11th. And here's a bunch of figs that my neighbors have given me that I'm going to be making fig jam with. Right? Here are some chicken breasts. I've got three packages, 20 pounds of chicken breasts that I'm going to be canning up, cube style, and I'm going to be making a video about that. And then some ground beef that I got also at Smart & Final where I got the chicken. I'm going to be canning some of that up and also food saving it. I promised you some food saving videos, and I'm going to be food saving some of the chicken and some of the ground beef. So I hope you'll come along with me for the ride and watch these scrumptious figs become delicious.